Hello and welcome to another update video about ICP. ICP is currently pushing higher. In only yesterday's video, we talked about this potential mini bull flag here. And indeed, the price did break out to the upside. So it's one of those, times where the altcoins are just following through. As you know, this can always change. But what we can do is adjust the relevant support levels so that we know which levels keep us safe and what the parameters are for certain waves to be reached. Here on the ICP chart, what we wanted was that the third wave gets minimally to the 1.38 FIB extension. And in this case, $9.64. Okay, it's not reached yet. It's come to 9.55 or something, but nearly there. I mean, I would give the bulls the benefit of the doubt. If now the wave 4 pullback starts, for which I have no evidence at this stage, then obviously we can watch the support area, which is between $8.31 and $7.63 now. But also, we can then watch for another 4-5 pattern. I mean, it's just that we want the third wave get sort of towards that 1.38 extension. Ideally, even a bit higher. I mean, don't make the mistake to think that a third wave has to finish at the 1.38 extensions. Quite the opposite. It's the first ideal target that, they can easily go higher. I mean, the next upside level is here, 10.30. Let me just double check that. I thought it was like 10.33, but okay, it's the same, isn't it? It's a few cents here. I might have shifted this accidentally, but it's fine. It's 10.30. So the thing is, this is a diagonal pattern to the upside at best. I don't have an impulse here. At least I can't really clearly see an impulse. That has to do with the fact that the initial move up was just a 3-wave move. So there's also problems with that structure. But I can still watch for a pullback in a wave 4 for a diagonal, which means we have to consider the 61.8 retracement level as well. In this case, it's $7.63. As long as that is holding, the overall focus could be on higher. And what we want is a 4th wave pullback at some point. Now, there's no sign, as I said, that it started. When can we say it's starting? I'd say the earliest indication would be a break here below $8.77, that we're on our way in wave 4, or even something more bearish. But this is the support region that needs to hold for us to continue to watch for a 5th wave. Now, what I will do, I will add the next Fib levels as well, just that we have the next Fibonacci targets. I mean, they are being respected. We just want the 5th wave get at least to the 1.618 extension at around 10.30, maybe even higher. So 10.76 or even $11.40 would also be ideal targets for that 5th wave. So these are sort of the patterns and the Fib levels that matter. In addition to that, on this chart, I'm watching this trend line. We talked about this a few times, and we have 3 touch points. Okay, this one was a fake out, but it's always a bit problematic with these trend lines. I can just say we've got it on the chart as an additional set of parameters to watch. I'm sure there are other ways how you could draw those trend lines, but this here gives me, I don't know, most touch points, more or less. It's not 100%, it's not as clean as on maybe some of the other charts. Still, though, something to watch. And now that we are approaching the resistance area, which this Fibonacci target area for the 3rd wave, pullbacks get more likely. But obviously, there needs to be some kind of a signal that a pullback has started. All we can say now is, okay, the risk is higher because we're now quite far away. The further the 3rd wave goes up, the higher the risk because we're extending away from those levels that keep us safe. That's my update about ICP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.